What's next to B?
5 divided by 9, 5 divided by 9.
Yeah, that's right. You're going to put next to C.
3 divided by what?
9.
5 divided by 9.
You're always dividing by 9 here.
Oh, no.
Then C is going to be 5 divided by 9. Are you able to write these down? Great.
Uh-huh.
And then D is going to be which?
4.
4. D is number 4.
So
Is part.
A-
Which one is the biggest out of that?
C.
Yeah, you circle C and that's your answer. We're moving on.
Look.
We did number 5 already. If you haven't done 5, she's
What's
got
this
the
one?
answer. Oh, all right. One more time. Shall we ask her?
What?
No. Okay. No. Well, we have to write this down. This one's going to be A. We're going to write 4 over 9.
4 over 9 are here.
So you write 4 over 9 for A. That's perfect. 4 over 9. For B, 4 over 9. For B, it's going to be 3 over 9. Good. For C, 5 over 9. And for E, 4 over 9 is the last one. Which one is the largest?
No.
Exactly. Circle that. Good. Done. You've done this
Did it right?
one. I think I'm ready to move on to 6. How about you guys?
Yeah.
What is the median score in the history? Oh boy, I love median scores, don't you? We
Yeah.
just kind of count them through. All right, so I see that we got 2, 5, 9, 0, 0, 3, 5, 1, 3, and 0. So, what I really could do is just put it all in one row. I'm going to go 2, 5, 9, 0, 0, 3, 5,
The tape is
1,
not for
3,
weights,
0.
Carlo.
I'm going to take 3 on each side. So there's 3 and there's 3. I'm going to take 1 on each side. There's there and there. Now I have to go between them. And that right there is the center. So I have to find, unfortunately there's 10 of them. So you have to share between these two. We have to share between 80 and 83. 80 and 83. We have to find the number that's in between 80 and 83. And I hate this kind of answer. What's half of 3? You got $3. I have to cut it in half. What's half of 3?
150.
$1.50. So that right there is your answer. You write down. What you're doing is you're pointing and you circle the 0 and the 3. You're circling 0 and 3 right in the center. Yeah, right there. And then you're going here. You're saying 80 to 83, and halfway in between is 81.5. So that's how you write it. You put in 80, put in 83. What's halfway between? 81.5, and that's your answer. So when you're writing it, you put 80. That's right, 80. Good. Write 80.
80.
80. And then you write 81. 83.
At the bottom, you should see.
Yeah, like this. Just set it up just like that.
Okay.
Or you can do it sideways. You can do it this way.
I got
See how you do it sideways? Yeah, you can do it that way. And then in between is 81.5, because that's halfway. That right there is your answer. I'm glad you decided you can speak, because I would never want someone to cover their mouth. That would be so sad.
What you talking about?
Well, she's covering her mouth like this.
That.
And I'm thinking, that's the old way. It used to be, teachers talk, you guys listen. I want it the other way around. I want to listen to what you say.
Okay.
Okay, that should be good. We got rid of that one. Are you ready for the next one? Can I have you just write down what she did? 80, 80, and then do it in between. You write the word 80, put the 83, and halfway between. What do you do? What's that?
What time we take a break?
Why don't you go across and ask Dr. Burnett?
¿Qué te pasa?
Because I heard that did you know that the food arrived?
Food? You got that record?
I know, isn't it funny? Lunch is here. How would we say it? Almuerzo está aquí.
You.
Like that?
No.
No, what would you say? Lunch is here.
No, yes, you have it.
Almuerzo está aquí. Is that right?
Almuerzo.
Almuerzo.
No, the mierda está aquí.
La cena es aquí? No.
Mierda.
La mierda.
What is that?
La almuerza. The lunch.
I think that mierda is the same thing.
La.
Mierda?
That's the shit, right? La mierda.
Oh.
No, no,
Never
mierda.
mind,
No,
never
no,
mind.
no, no, no. La comida. La comida está aquí. So how do we say that in French? La nourriture
la
está
mierda.
ici. They say ici. Ici. And you guys say aquí. So it's so close, right?
Yeah.
Aquí. So if you guys learn Spanish, you can also learn French like that. And that's why I
Spanish is our
have that.
first language,
See
that's why.
what this is over here? Portuguese and Spanish are very close, and so is
My first
French.
language is not Spanish.
So I hope you guys eventually learn what words are over here and up there.
Yeah.
That's what you
You're
do.
recording
I'm going to take it over
now.
here so she doesn't have to worry. Okay.
Yeah.
I want to do one more problem before we get distracted by food. So,
Food.
would you like to read this one?
Okay,
We're
I'll
gonna
read
listen. Here we go. We're listening.
A picture with a length of 5 inches.
Can you stop it and then record the next one? Because otherwise it won't fit on YouTube. Because we're recording really high quality here.
Wait.